Hi children, welcome to our math class. The previous class we learned about money. The previous chapter is the money. In the previous chapter what we learned? Commonly used kinds, commonly used notes. Okay? Today the new chapter, that is the data handling. Data handling. Data means then information తీసుకోవడం. Information తీసుకోవడమే data అని అంటారన్నమాట. See Nana, given here one figure here. Look at the picture given below carefully. So choose for correct చూడమంటారు. What given here in this picture? Sinana given some birds, some trees and lamps, balls, benches, flowers are, but different types of flowers are given. Sinana here sunflowers, roses and lotus also given. One pond. Kanana some grass. This one is the grass. Balls also different balls given here. Different types of balls are given here. Okay, Nana. For here next what are given here? The aeroplane also. Lamp, birds. Birds also different types in colors. See Nana. Some in pink color, some in yellow color, some blue color. One is the blue color. Okay, like this given this totally. First of all totally observe this figure. See Nana. Birds, aeroplane, lamps, trees, benches, this totally grass, different types of balls, flowers, here sunflowers, roses flowers, lotus flowers are given. Okay children, see what is here. Now count and write the number of. Given some benches. First of all asking here benches. First of all here observe and how many benches are in this figure. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మనము అబ్జర్వ్ చేసి ఇందులో ఉన్న ఐటమ్స్ని చూసి ఇక్కడ రాయమంటాం. చూడండి ఫస్ట్ ఆస్కింగ్ హియర్ బెంచెస్ అడుగుతున్నాం. హౌ మెనీ బెంచెస్? సీనన్నా 1 2. ఎనీ వన్ హియర్ మోర్? నో, ఓన్లీ హియర్ హౌ మెనీ బెంచెస్? హియర్ 1 and 2. Two benches in that figure. How many benches in that figure? 2 benches. So what write here? Write here 2 benches. So here 2 benches. So in your textbook also write here 2 benches. Okay children. Next what is here? Trees. Next one is the trees. How many trees are? First of all count in this figure. How many trees are given here? See Nana, count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Totally how many trees are there? 10 trees. Once again count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Totally in that figure 10 trees. So now write here 10. Okay, 10. So write here 10. Next what is here? Birds. BIRDS, birds. How many birds in this figure? So count 1 2 3 4 5 6. Anyone here see? Nobody, only here. How many birds? Once again count 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 birds are there. How many birds are there? 6 birds are there. So now write here 6. Okay children, 6. So here write 6. Next, what is the next one? Sunflowers. Here given here flowers, some flowers are, but in that flowers only asking here sunflowers. So count 1 2 3. Anyone here? Only 3 flowers. 3 sunflowers are in that figure. How many flowers are in that figure? 3 sunflowers. 3 sunflowers. 1 2 3. So right here 3. Okay. So in your textbook also write like this 3. Okay. Next what is here? Lotus flowers. Lotus flowers. Where in this figure lotus flowers? In the pond. See. How many lotus flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 flowers in this pond. Okay, so now write here 5 lotus flowers. 5 lotus flowers. Okay, children. Next, what is here? Roses. Roses. How many roses in this figure? Count, Nana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally, how many roses there? 7 roses in that figure. So, now write here 7. Okay? So, here 7. Okay, children. Next, what asking here? Balls. Here balls. Next one is the balls. So how many balls in this figure? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9 balls are given here. Once again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally there 9 balls are there. 9 balls are there. So now write here 9. Okay. So here write 9. Okay, children, understand, Anna? Next, what is here? Aeroplane. Aeroplanes. How many aeroplanes in this figure? See, observe. How many aeroplanes? Only one. How many aeroplanes? Only one. So write here only one. Okay, children? Here one. Next, lamp posts. Lamp posts. The street lights la untayi nanu ikkada paina lamp posts. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. In that figure only 4 lamp posts. How many lamp posts? 4 lamp posts. So lamp posts 4. So here 4. Okay, children? Totally completed. Like this డాటా కలెక్షన్. ఈ విధంగా డాటా అనేది తీసుకుంటారు. దీన్నే డాటా హ్యాంగింగ్ అంటారు. ఈ విధంగా ఒక ఫిగర్ తీసుకొని అందులో కావాల్సినవి ఏంటి ఉంటాయో వాటిని ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి అనేది తీసుకోవడమే డాటా. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్. నెక్స్ట్ స్టడీ ద పిక్చర్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ గివెన్ బిలో. హియర్ గివెన్ ఓన్లీ వన్ హౌస్. వాట్ ఆస్కింగ్ హియర్ సీన్ అన్న. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు, దీనికి ఆన్సర్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతున్నాడు, వాటికి ఆన్సర్ చేయండి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్. Okay, next do that. See Nana, this one circle, this one is the see Nana, 4 sides. This one is the square. Already you learned shapes and solid shapes, shapes and normal shapes and solid shapes. These are normal shapes. First one is the circle, next one is the square. In the square 4 sides are equal. Next is the rectangle. In the rectangle 4 sides, but opposite sides are equal. In the rectangle opposite sides are equal. Next one picture is the triangle. In this figure how many sides? Only 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay, na? These are like this given here one figure. This one is the house. Okay, in your textbook page number is the 127. See now, this one is the one house. Sides are trees. 3 trees are given. See, this one of the triangle. This one also one of the triangle. This one is the one square. You see Nana, 4 sides, but 4 sides are equal. This one, this one, this one. Next, in this one rectangle. See Nana, opposite sides are only equal. This one window, this one also 4 sides are equal. This is the square. This one also square. Here 4 sides are equal. This one is the door. This shape has rectangle. See now. Next, these are trees. This tree in triangle shape has here. See this one rectangle shape. Here also tree. This one is the triangle. Down rectangle. Here triangle. This one also one tree. Triangle. Down this one. From this one rectangle. Okay, children. What asking here? This is the sun. Sun in the circle shape. Okay. What asking us in how many shapes are there in the picture? Totally, how many shapes in this picture? See, triangle, circle, this one square, rectangle. Totally 4 shapes. How many shapes? 4 shapes. So here write 4. Okay. Next one. Count the number of triangles. In this figure, how many triangles? So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 triangles in this figure. So here 5 triangles. Okay. Next, how many circles are there in the picture? How many circles? So count here. See now. 1, 2. Only 2 circles in this picture. Next, 4th one. Whose number is more circles or squares? Which one are more here? Circles or squares? See, when the circles only 2 here. 1, 2. Next, squares count. 1, 2, 3. So which are more? Squares. Circles are 2, squares are 3. So here squares. Next, 5th one. Which shape is the most used? In this figure, which shape is the most used? See Nana. 1. This one is the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rectangles used in 6 times. But here triangle how many times? See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For triangles 5 times, but here rectangle 6 times. So more time used in rectangle. So here rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Last one. Which shape is the least used? ఏవి తక్కువగా యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాయి? least used. Same. Circles 1, 2. Squares 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So circles 2 times used. So least used is the least shape used circle. So circle. 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 Okay, children. This one. So completed. Totally textbook is the over. This one write in your notes and practice well. Okay, children. Bye.